Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you which is the best mobile phone right now you can buy in terms of the display. So I'll be doing 6 different videos, guys, which I'll be explaining which is the best phone to buy right now in terms of the display, processor, fast charging, camera, speaker, and battery life. I'll be doing separately each and every video, and I'll be keeping the playlist in the description. You can watch the links in description as well. So in this video I'll be just covering the best display. So right now I got all the smartphones which are the basic range, mid-range and high-range mobiles, and this is a test which has my personal opinion feelings after using for a long time. So if you have any personal device which you like or which you might feel better, you can comment below and you can put your comments and your thoughts on the on this video. So but this is my review on based on my personal usage after using for a long time. So right now the best display, this award goes to two mobiles because there's a two different categories right now. So one is a Realme X2 Pro device and the second device is a Redmi K20 Pro device. So the reason I'll be explaining in this video. So both the phones are having the pretty much of same kind of display features, everything included, apart from the Realme X2 Pro as a 90 Hz refresh rate, so which is a very advantage in the Realme X2 Pro device. So this is the reason I picked up the Realme X2 Pro device, so having the 90 Hz refresh rate. And apart from that reason, there is no other difference. But in the Redmi K20 Pro device, you get the extra higher saturation levels and higher brightness and contrast levels in the Redmi K20 Pro device, so which you can increase in the phone. So there's a special feature which got in the Redmi K20 Pro device where you can increase the colors of any application you're using. So let me show you how can you do that one and how it affects in regularly day-to-day usage. As you can see, I selected the MX player, and here you can choose the enhancement visual to extreme. So this will increase more and more saturation levels and brightness levels when compared with the normal devices. So right now I put the extreme. So let me compare the same video clip side by side with the Realme X2 Pro device so you can understand clearly why I picked up the Redmi K20 Pro device. So you can see, friends, I'm playing the same video in both the phones and you can clearly observe the difference in terms of the brightness and higher saturation levels in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So this is the reason I picked up the Redmi K20 Pro device. So it has got very good brightness levels when compared with other smartphones and in terms of the saturation levels as well. So overall the clear winner in the smartphone whatever I got right now is the Redmi K20 Pro device in terms of the higher saturation levels and contrast levels. So when it comes to the normal mid-range mobile phone, I got the Realme X2 device as a picked up because it has got the Super AMOLED panel, and having the Super AMOLED panel has a lot of advantage nowadays. So these are my two best mobiles in terms of the display and color reproduction and contrast levels. And do comment below, guys, what are your thoughts about this kind of awards which I gave. And if you have any other phones which you would like to comment, you can comment below. See you in the next video, guys, and then stay tuned. Bye.